Hello everyone, Liliana from Vanilla and Canela here. Welcome back to my channel, to another video, to Vlogmas and to the $5 Goodwill Challenge. If you have been with me for a little while, you know that I always love taking part in this challenge. This was put together and is hosted by Hilary from Old World Home, and she does it every season. So this is the Christmas one, which is actually my favorite, and I think this is the one that started it all for Hilary. So what you do is you take $5, in the UK I take £5, and you go to a charity shop or a second-hand shop and you buy some decor to use in your home, and then you share it with everyone. As always, there will be a playlist with everyone taking part, so let me show you what I got. I found this cute little bird. It is made of like material, kind of satiny, maybe silk, with a little trim. And this cost me 50p. Now, I had intended to keep looking and find some more stuff because like I've said, you've got a £5 budget, but I thought, actually, I have the perfect spot for it. So a few months ago, I bought from IKEA a very simple wreath, and I had this on my front door when it's now I have the Christmas one, but so anyway, I thought I would jazz this up with this bird, and I have loads of different add-ons that I can use. Change the ribbon. I want it to be red themed to go with my home decor, so let me show you what I'm going to do. So I have loads of different red ribbon. I have a bag full of different types of ribbon, but I know that I want to use red. And I also have loads of stick-on snowflakes and some little bells. What I do know for sure is that I do not want to glue anything because I like using this wreath when it's not Christmas. So we are gonna obviously use this kind of stuff, and these come with a little stick on the back, but it's very easy to pull out. I also have this little wooden sign that says Merry Christmas and this peace one, so I'm just going to play around and see what I can come up with.
Gaze upon the sky, Christmas on my mind, somewhere from a place up high above. There's a song of love traveling afar, seeking us to warm up every heart, to be our light into the night. Bless us with a moment of serenity. Let it come to bloom, joyful Christmas news. Hope will find its way to you. Peaceful little lights, Christmas on my mind, somewhere from a place up high above. There's a special star shining from afar, seeking us to warm up every heart, to be our light into the night.
it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you are new here, hi, I'm Liliana. I do videos all about home life. I'm currently in the middle of Vlogmas, so if you think that's something you would like, please go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you here if you are a returning subscriber. I love you all. Hilary, thank you so much as always for putting this challenge together, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.